G'day guys, Mark the Beta Tech Skiing coming to you from the show floor, Integrate 2025. Standing here with Brian Murray from Oroz, Head of AV for Oroz. Mate, congratulations. It's good to see you. Mate, I'm excited that we've sort of engaged because you've got a brand that's quite an iconic brand. I think it's a beautiful piece of lot of engineering in the brand called Heckler. Specifically what we're looking behind here is the Microsoft Express
install. It's a Microsoft initiative,
right,
to make it easier to deploy Teams rooms in small spaces.
Right. Okay.
So everything is built in to the one cart, so you don't have to have wall installs, and all the compute and everything is tucked in.
Sitting behind here in this tray. Yeah.
So you've got the screen. This is a partnership with Logitech.
Yep.
That's a Logitech meetup and the Logitech tap.
Yep.
And this comes off. It's designed to be at a chair height.
Yeah.
And so you can take out a chair from around the table, slide this in, and you've got an instant meeting. So it's a portable.
Right. So you can use it like that, or you can use it as the. Yeah, right. Fantastic. And really, really cool how it's like the classic Heckler sort of design, though, as well, right? How they've done the engineering around the cart and everything else, and big wheels. It's a big thing. So the ability to keep pushing it around, and especially if you're going over some lips and different things like that. I think it's a thing that's really overlooked in a lot of carts. So
very solid steel.
Yeah. And so the cool thing also is you've got this full tray in behind here, so you can actually just have all the
wiring and the NUC and the compute,
all the compute stuff and everything in behind there. Simple and really easy. What else are we looking at here?
Well, Heckler is bringing out a lot of new stuff. A whole new range of carts which clip together in a patented way without having screws or anything. So
no. Yeah, right. Okay, so simple and fast to assemble. Yeah, okay.
This one can take up to a 75-inch screen. They have a bigger one that can take over 100-inch screens, and a double one where you could have two together. So you can pretty much fit any size you want.
Impressive. And so this is just to sit a bar on.
And all the wiring and.
You've got it. There's actually an enclosure under there, so you can hide all the wiring once. Well thought out again. Once again, the cool thing about these is I think you can stack these together too, right?
Yeah.
So, what is ergonomically? You push them in here, and these almost sit perfectly flat.
Especially in a school or somewhere where they want to. Space is a premium.
So space is a premium. You have a school hall or something like that, and you just want to roll them out of the storeroom. You have 5 or 6 of them together. Go bang, 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 and away you go.
Exactly.
Super cool design.
This one is what we call the confidence stand.
Yes.
Instead of a teleprompter for a lecturer to be able to look at that and have their notes on there.
Yep.
This is where you can put all your cables and your compute and everything.
Yep.
And this has a nice backing on it, so the audience is not looking at
and that's always a thing, right? The confidence one looks great, but in behind there's cables and everything hanging out. There's a really nice tray underneath there where you can hide everything. I assume you probably do some branding on that as well, I reckon, for schools or corporate environments.
Put your logo on there.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah. And almost like a flagship product over here being for Heckler is their Lecterns.
Lectern, yeah. Actually, I might hand over to Matt, who's an expert on that.
Fantastic.
This is Matt, our head tech.
Thanks, Brian. Good. G'day, Matt. How are you?
How are you?
Yeah, mate. Now, talk to us about this. This is, I love these things. They're like, they've kind of thought of everything.
Yep.
In a lectern. Yeah. So, what are we looking at here?
Yeah, this is the Heckler 4U lectern. It is height adjustable electronically. It comes with a range of custom inserts you can put into these two gaps here.
Yep.
This one's actually a tablet mount, but you can get custom inserts for cabling connections.
I believe you can put a microphone charger in there as well, yeah?
Yep.
Super cool. And so you can, obviously that's a mount for Crestron control or Extron or your QSYS or whatever like.
Correct, yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, the tablet mount. Yep. It does have a pop top on it.
Oh,
so
very
you can
nice.
hide all your cabling. Ours is a
Yep.
bit of a mess at the moment. Got phone chargers and everything shoved down there. But yeah, it's got these grids here so you can Velcro everything down. Plenty of circulation, so really well vented underneath. So any equipment you put under there doesn't get too hot.
And I can see just on the front side of that though, that's actually rack mounting in there, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you could actually put in a little some mic receivers or DSP or.
So this being the 4U gives you
Yep.
4 RU of rack mount space at the front of the cabinet.
Oh, very nice. And is there a bigger brother to this one as well? Is there
There's a 6.
There's a 6,
Yep.
yeah. So if you've got a bit of gear, you can fit it all in here.
Yeah,
Very, very nice.
certainly.
These things now are available in Australia,
Yes,
I think. And you guys at Auros are holding really good stock
we do. Yeah.
in Brisbane.
Yeah,
right? And
correct.
so of all the Heckler range.
Yeah, we like to keep plenty of stock up in our Brisbane warehouse for everything we sell.
Excellent. All right, guys. You've got to get down. These are one of the nicest lecterns on the market. I know
Yeah.
the guys from Heckler, they're fanatical about their design.
Yeah.
One thing that I know about this is this, on the edge here, there's a little wheel for hanging your shopping or your laptop bag or anything like that. Like
and your cup holder on the other side as
cup
well.
holder, they've absolutely thought of everything. It's really, really cool.
Yeah.
Guys, get down here at Integrate 2025. Come and say good day to Brian and Matt and all the guys from Auros there. Yeah, in the front door, hang a left, walk right through the end and check out what they've got on stands. Great to see Auros here at Integrate 2025. Thanks, guys.
Thank
See
you.
mate.